Hello and welcome to English for Beginners class. Today's lesson is about food and drinks. Food and drinks. Cake. Cake. It's a cake. Ice cream. Ice cream. Fruit. Fruits. Grapes. Grapes. Apple. An apple. Orange. An orange. Grapes. An apple. An orange. Milk. Milk. Juice. Orange juice. Salad. Salad. Pizza. Pizza. A sandwich. Sandwich. Hot dog. A hot dog. Hamburger. A hamburger. Salt. Salty food. French fries and chips are salty food. Salt. Salty food. Sugar is sweet. Donuts are sweet food. Sweet food. Salty food. Sweet food. He has an ice cream. He has an ice cream. She has orange juice. She has orange juice. He has apples. He has apples. Look at this picture. In here, we want to ask question about he and she. So we should use does. What does he have? He has pizza. He has pizza. What does he have? What does he have? He has salad. He has salad. What does she have? What does she have? She has milk. Pay attention, when we have does in the sentence, we don't use has. We should use have. What does she have? But in the answer, we use has. She has milk. What does she have? What does she have? She has a sandwich and juice. She has a sandwich and juice. And now it's about you. What do you have? What do you have? It's your turn to answer. Write them in the comment. I have. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel.